James, are you doing yoga? Yeah, you're doing downward dog, buddy. Good job. Yeah. Stretch your hamstrings. Good job. Stretch your hamstrings. You should feel it in your abs, too.
Oh, you're so good.
Yeah? How long are you going to be able to hold the downward dog?